Part two, guys. The door is locked.
Again?
No, I locked it. Okay, let's get. Coming.
Come on.
You don't have the. Oh, remind me.
How do I... Okay, I get it.
انت مديني مفتاح.
Okay.
Uh,
I can't.
bring a car.
I can't.
No, you can. So okay, I'll bring the car. Okay, there's no cars in here. Who is this?
I don't know. She's saying hi.
بصي. Hold me. No, hold me.
Okay. Hold you how?
ده لو انا في قطر مش كانوا عملوا كده مش كانوا
Pick up me.
متخيله وبعدين مفيش حقن كده
Oh, that's annoying.
I don't know. Oh my god, what is it? Follow me.
How?
Get the
Okay.
water bucket.
طب انتي
Oh my god.
Wait for me, girl.
The water bucket is going.
Oh, it's moving alone. Wait, I can't see you.
Oh my god. Okay, come in. Girl.
We didn't need a motorbike.
Oh, hi.
Oh, hello.
افتحي يا ساره انتي بقى ساره
Now,
خلاص بقى كفايه
okay. I'll take this one because I'm really hungry. Put it here.
ولا رميتي كيس الشيبسي ازاي ولا شلتي البطاطا
Take.
ده كلام يعني
What the hell? No. Pick up. I want to eat it.
Where are you?
Not watch it. Okay. I think I take this. Yeah, man. How can I eat it?
Wait.
Girl, how can I eat it?
Give me. Give me the phone. Put it like, oh my god. Oh my god, gata.
لا مش هينفع
Wait. Okay. You can eat now.
Yummy.
I love it. It's so yummy. I love it.
Oh my god. Then I want something to drink. Like fresh thing. This. Yeah. Yummy.
Oh my god, I love this. You love
Let's go another oh, we didn't give him the money.
We are.
I just want to drink shot. What?
Where's the coffee?
Where's Duncan? You want
You like it?
I can't move.
Look at me.
Like
Where are you?
I don't know. I don't even know where I'm going. I can't move.
Oh, look at this. This is Mamma Mia.
here
Come, Mamma Mia.
لا كافيه اهو
No, we will go Mamma Mia.
يا جماعه احنا بنتكلم عربي sorry I'm just kidding I'm learning some Arabic croissant this is the thing that I wanted to order
Croissant.
this girl's following us
Why? She's so kind.
The French croissant is really delicious.
I want the croissant.
I'll take 3.
Oh my god, the croissant is so yummy.
I mean, hi. Can I get some avocado? No, nothing good. I wanna just get this. I don't know what is it, but it looks like a cookie. It looks like cookie. Oh my god, I just need a coffee right now.
The croissant is so hot.
Bye, girl. I miss you. Oh my god, what? Oh my god, I'm here.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Mamma Mia.
This is mine.
Oh yeah.
Where should we go?
Mamma Mia.
What is Mamma Mia?
Sweets. Yummy sweets.
We just eat a sweets. Hello, girl.
Yeah.
Bonjour. What would you like today? How can I eat? Girl.
Too high.
This girl is really crazy.
You are so pretty.
Uh-huh. The place in here is not good. How can I?
Oh my god.
Okay, never mind. Let's go. I want to go shopping. Shopping.
Girl, wait for me. Oh my god.
It looks like
Where are you going?
Ladybug and Black Cat. Ooh. I don't know. I don't even know where I'm going, girl. Like, why?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Where go? What? Where are you? Girl. Yeah, come on. What?
Oh my god.
No. I can't believe.
The black one is so
Hello, girl.
little.
Hi. Are you changing?
She's so. Yeah.
Can we take the?
I want this. I want to take that and go.
I want to take anything without money.
Because we are millionaires. Girl!
I don't want to buy something. I'm going auto. I don't want to sleep.
Okay, I'm coming too. But I want to. Oh my god.
Girl, here.
You and me birthday tomorrow.
Are you kidding?
No. I asked Mom. She told me tomorrow. I swear.
I don't want to make a party.
Oh my goodness, how? What?
Girl, help. I want to go toilet.
Me too.
Oh my god, I'll fart.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I actually fart.
Me too.
In the motorbike. I farted in the motorbike. Oh my god. My stomach hurt. I want to do a poop.
Me too. I will go.
I wanna pee. Oh, Bismillah.
What?
The motorbike is moving along.
Oh my goodness.
Uh, Oh my god, no. So I'll go to the house. I don't know. I can't wait more. Teleport. Oh my god, I want to make a poop. Yes. Ugh.
ما شاء الله هستخدمه في الموضوع ده. يعني الله يكرمك المرة اللي فاتت لما قلت لي الشاب الصغير شفته عند الأولاد مش لا هو مش عندي.
Okay. Tomorrow is our birthday, guys. So I sleep and make.
What is it?
Guys, wait for part 2.